Does anybody actually buy below top 50? If yes, what and why? Personally, I didn't leave the top 10 cryptocurrencies with my bags. I have had the unfortunate experience of being rug pulled before, although the losses were not substantial. Since that incident, I have become more cautious and now primarily invest in well-established coins, the big boys. These coins have proven track records and offer a certain level of stability in the volatile market. However, I do occasionally venture into the top 50 cryptocurrencies, as I understand that there might be hidden opportunities worth exploring. While I exercise caution, I find it intriguing to search for potential investment gems beyond the top 10. That being said, I generally avoid going below the top 50 threshold, as the risks associated with lesser-known projects tend to increase. It could be just my personal preference and risk aversion, as I prioritize minimizing potential pitfalls. How about you? Do you also seek out hidden gems or stick to more established cryptocurrencies? Sure, don't really care about rankings as long as the tokenomics and project are legit. Top 50 is full of shitcoins BTW. No, I buy in top 20 and then they move out of top 50. I have an ENJ bag. Reason hopes and dreams. Nanos no cuz I love it. Fearless and instant. Ergo all the way. Ergo is great. 100 fair launch and exceptional development. Huge upside potential. The spiritual successor to Bitcoin. Ergo, Nervous, and Casper here. Not anymore. BTC and ETH only here. I have some Osmo, Casper, Secret. I really believe in Osmo's first IBC DEX, Casper is more like a gamble, and Secret is probably a mistake at this point, but I'm so low on it that I won't sell anyways. Below the top 50 I'm only in Arweave 142. I'm a huge fan of decentralized storage solutions. I would have gone into the largest player Filecoin, however the tokenomics are a nightmare. Osmosis 112, the leading DEX on the Cosmos ecosystem. I think Cosmos will shine the next bull market, and if it does, this one could do very well too. QNTH bar. For me it's only Tezos. It's an interesting project that doesn't get a lot of attention. The fact that I've been updating the blockchain smoothly and consistently is what stands out to me. I'm planning on selling during the next bull run. I'm starting to slim down my portfolio to contain primarily BTC and ETH with a little exposure to other altcoins. I do research on the coins I want to invest in. Then I keep an eye on it and read news about it for months before investing. If I don't believe in the project, I don't invest in it. Also, if there's a lot of hype surrounding a coin or token, I stay far away from it. I bought a number of TON tokens. You can use TON tokens to buy Telegram numbers. In my country, there is a limit on the number of mobile numbers one can own, so this is a good way to get around that. Since you need a mobile number to create a Telegram account, this is a useful workaround. Casper. The founder made the Ghost protocol, which Ethereum uses a variant of in both ETH1 and 2. Casper, Filecoin, also use variation of it. Oh, and so do Polkadot in their Grandpa consensus. In other words, I'm following the smart people who do the work in the shadows. Nano, Digibyte, because I can actually use it. LRC, it's been around for 2 bull markets already, with the second ARTH beating the first ARTH. Was super hyped and hit the absolute peak FOMO of the last bull run, so was hard to live up to running into this bear market. The devs have been quiet, but working hard on loads of new DEX features. Could be a good third bull market for LRC. I only invest in small projects and communities. I'd rather try my luck of getting a moonshot than playing the safe game. I've invested in some small projects that offer passive income via real yield. If they ever make it to the moon, I would never have to work again, lol. Right now my investment gave me like 5-10x or something. XTC and TBH, I can't believe how cheap it is considering its utility. Bags are overloading on XTC. Read about Ergo. It is my pick, and at 250 something. Amazing tech, brilliant decentralization. Here many people buy below top 50. I'm bullish on. So I hold some GLMR. I buy, but I only put a small amount of money. My big bag below top 50 is XTZ, but it's 52. Better to buy stable coins instead of hybrids. I buy Rose. It fits in the AI and in the privacy categories, so if one of them gets some hype, it has a chance to pump. It's my moonshot and smallest bag though. No harm in gambling on a small project you believe in, with a little bit of money you can afford to lose, of course. Small bag, and why the reason is moonshot. Although I imagine for some people they bought in the past when the coin is in the top 50 but now have fallen off Nano, Algo etc. I only buy the top 2. BTC ETH Maxi here. For a long time I thought that after reaching my BTC ETH goals I'd start digging for micro-cap gems, but, as you say, PTSD from rug pulls is too strong. So I will likely just keep accumulating ETH now. Low to mid caps have way higher upward potential. Ocean goes 10x and is still a $1 billion valuation that wasn't even enough to be in the top 100 for a large portion of the last bull run. When you consider that they are a pioneer for Web3 data economy and AI is the new in thing, you can see how easy it is for it to hit $1 billion and more. The fact we're in a bear market has made people forget how the market moves in the bull. Apart from BTC and ETH, I only have Matic and ARB in the top 100. I'm willing to take the risk on lower caps, I have the conviction. Nano, IOTA, Clue, Moon. That's where the big gains, and incidental losses are made. I do like to play it risky, so part of my portfolio does go to below top 50 and even top 100. If I believe in a project, I buy a chunk and hope for the best. I have 2 projects which are Reddit-based. I won't shill, but I bought in because I like the look of both. Other than that I stay in the top 10-20. Edit and Moons of course. Nano is under top 50. I bought up to the top 100 since 2021, and it has been overall a total disaster. Got destroyed during 2022 with most of my portfolio of 100 coins going down 95.99. I have since turned mostly into an ETH Maxi with all of my DCAs going forward going into ETH. Most times shitty coins enter the top 50 because of hype. IOTA holding since 2017 and buying more. Yes, Ergo, because great project and tokenomics. AMP and ICP for me. Pure gamble though. Their beliefs in those project and giving them most profit is forced to buy those. Not been around long enough to see a bunch of top 10 coins swirl around the shitter and disappear. Loopring, you'd be stupid not to. If you understand what the project is trying to achieve, the ranking doesn't really matter. Nano. XNO. Dia. World Mobile Token. Just acquired regulatory approval to provide telecom services in the US they already have. Working product in community behind them. Goal is to connect the unconnected and bank the unbanked and provide a sharing economy where everyone is being paid to provide and support. Super neat concept and a very cheap price ATM. Check them out. I've accumulated a lot of Solve, something that currently sits at around 909. It's a healthcare-related crypto and I'm a health service provider myself. Hoping I see crypto help improve healthcare systems for admin and patients across the globe. Banano. Has excellent meme potential to grow exponentially. Just a matter of time. Nano ecological without any fees, deflationary and working. AMA. The answer is to make it big, or they just really believe in the project. Not me. I guess the return could be amazing, but I have no idea which ones might work out, so I don't bother. Yes, Inge, because I like it.